Workers of a Chinese mining company extract cobalt in the southeast of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Cobalt is used for making lithium-ion batteries for smartphones and electric vehicles. The DRC has more than 70% of the world's cobalt reserves. In 2008, the former DRC president, Joseph Kabila, signed a $6 billion infrastructure for minerals deal with Chinese firms. Under the deal, the Chinese firms were to build roads, dams, and hospitals in exchange for copper and cobalt.
The partnership between China and the DRC in the mining and infrastructure sector is based on a win-win relationship. We believe it will benefit the Congolese people and help develop the country. That has been acknowledged by some members of the population and the government.
But the current DRC president, Felix Tshisekedi, holds a different view. In 2021, he ordered for the review of the contract signed with China, saying the DRC was not getting a fair deal. Some analysts believe the president's change of heart towards China was stirred by the United States.
Started with our president going to America and openly stating that after in this era of the post-Cold War era, he will be on the side of America. He will be on the side of Israel. So he made his position quite clear. So when he came back from there, he announced that he was going to review all the contract that the previous government has signed with China.
But President Tshisekedi said his focus was not on which foreign power would dominate mining in the DRC, but rather on how his country could benefit from the best deals. The loans issued by China for infrastructure projects in the DRC and other African countries have been sharply criticized by some Western countries. Some African scholars consider that criticism unjustified.
China has taken the position of not getting involved in internal matters of countries where they invest. That has been very well perceived by many African leaders, and it has made it easy for China to be almost in every African country today. And I think that's where the fear of European countries and the United States, that's where the fear lies.
The DRC is endowed with a lot of other minerals like gold, diamonds, and uranium. But the vast majority of its population has been living in poverty for decades. Corruption and an ongoing conflict in the country's east have drained the economy. The DRC was among the 5 largest African trading partners with China after South Africa, Nigeria, Angola, and Egypt last year. The country's main exports were minerals. Its leaders are now pushing to get fairer trade deals with China and other foreign investors, something that many Congolese hope will help them live better lives in their mineral-rich country. Chris Ochamringa, SABC News, Kinshasa.